Hello, my beautiful souls. Welcome sa ating tarot reading sessions. Keep in mind, general reading po ito. Maaaring mag-resonate, maaaring hindi. Kunin niyo na lang po kung para sa inyo and leave the rest. Maaaring mag-shift the energies or makabaliktad ang sitwasyon. Kaya kayo na pong bahala kung saan kayo nakalugar sa reading natin. So, let's see. So, we have here the Knight of Swords, the World, Seven of Pentacles, Page of Wands, Eight of Pentacles, the King of Wands, Ten of Cups, and the Shadow Side or the Devil, Capricorn energy, and Five of Swords, bottom card. Okay, so, maring hinihintay ng taong to na makipag-usap ka sa kanya, maring Capricorn or a strong fire sign, or naghihintayan kayo kung sino magre-reach out. So, tingnan natin, anong message ng Archangel natin? Para kasing dedmahan kayong dalawa, nagpapataasan kayo ng pride kung sino unang magre-reach out, kung sino unang bibigay. Beloved One by Archangel Chamuel, I'm helping you with your spiritual soulmate relationship. Okay, so kung soulmate mo ito, ayan, so mukhang tinutulungan kayo ng mga archangels para ayusin tong connection na meron kayo. Tingnan natin. Signs and symbol cards. Lantern. So, maaaring magkaroon kayo ng late night talks itong taong to. Magnifying glass. Letter. Ayan. So, isasend niya na yan. Maaaring itong messages niya kasi sa'yo, tinatype niya lang tapos dinidelete niya rin agad. Ayan. So, nagkaroon ng snake energy dito. Betrayal. Maaaring nagkaroon ng third party issue. And the mirror card. Bottom card natin, ring. So, maaaring proposal. Ayan, love proposal. So, love letter. Ayan, pwedeng love letter. Mag-send siya sa'yo ng love letter. Or maaaring tinatype niya to pero gusto niya, buburahin niya sana pero accidentally na-send niya sa'yo. Tingnan natin. We're compatible to each other. I will start to save money. Letting you go walking away. I'm isolating myself to reflect. So, nagpaplano pa itong taong ito kung paano mag-reach out sa'yo. Kaya hanggang ngayon hindi pa rin. Or naghihintay siya, may hinihintay siya, something or kung ano man to. Maring divine timing. I'm a liar. Kaya yung mga messages niya, telepathically lang niya sinasend sa'yo. Parang nare-receive mo to through your dreams, or may mga signs. Mga signs ka na nare-receive. Can't decide. Kasi ito siya ngayon undecided pa siya. Hindi pa niya alam yung words na sasabihin niya sa'yo. Kumbaga nagre-reconstruct pa lang siya ng mga words na sasabihin niya. You're the fairest of them all. And you're my wish come true. Okay, so kuha pa tayo ng mga messages. So, kasi para sa kanya itong letter na to or message, very parang cheesy masyado. Kaya hindi niya alam kung paano i-send sa'yo yun. Baka pagtawanan mo lang. We need to let each other go. I wish I could take back my words. Ayun, natatakot pa siya. I'm afraid to contact you. Just being near you is intoxicating. I knew exactly what I was doing. I hide behind material things. I can't stop thinking about you. I hope that you can forgive me one day. Bottom card, I want to feel that way again. Pero kasi gusto pa rin niya talagang maramdaman yon. Yung naramdaman niya before, no magkasama pa kayo, nag-uusap pa kayo. So, kuha tayo ng initials natin. Letter Y, Enye. Letter P, JD, LB, letter M, O, V, bottom card IH. Okay, so kuha tayo ng blue card. Acceptance and no strings attached. So, mari kasing inisip nitong taong to na no strings attached kayo nito, or itong snake card kasi natin dito na na-realize niya na no strings attached sila nung taong yon. And we also have your acceptance. Pero meron tayong union of hearts dito. So, maaring after niya ma-realize na they are not connected nitong taong pinili niya, kasi may snake energy tayo dito, no? After niya ma-realize yon, ayan, tinanggap niya na to. And para kasing sinasabi niya rito na natukso lang daw siya doon sa taong yon, maaring nilandi siya and natukso kaya bumigay itong taong ito doon sa pantutukso nitong snake card energy na to or yung third party. Pero sinasabi niya dito na nagkamali siya, isang malaking pagkakamali yon, and with this union of hearts card natin dito ay talaga namang willing siya na gawin lahat para lang mapatawad mo itong taong ito. So, ayan, itong sinasabi niya, I hope that you can forgive me one day. So, yun ang gusto niya talagang mangyari, or patutunayan niya naman sa'yo na nagbago siya, or hindi na siya yung tulad ng dati na marupok or madaling matukso sa iba. Okay, we have here cold city, high expectations, attractive, mountain, and Aries. Coins is earth sign, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. Weird, July. Ex-lover, another mirror card, North PH, caring, Cancer sign, and Gemini. Number 5, March, Dimple, cute and chubby, Mindanao. Wands is fire sign, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, good heart, and Pisces. So, yan ang ating reading, my beautiful souls. Thank you for watching. Take care and God bless. See you in our next reading, guys. Bye-bye.